She sophisticated head to the toes, acting like a lady, she ain't acting like these hoes. She don't need me, she got her own. Independent woman and it shows. She may be laughing, but I know that she ain't kidding. We ain't keeping secrets, but I stay out of her business.
Today's video, I'm going to be doing a collective try-on haul. Y'all, these clothes are from Black Friday. I'm sorry, but this is basically all the clothes I bought over the Christmas holiday. So I figured I still want to show y'all what I got because I really love these clothes. Y'all already know where I got it from. My favorite online store, Missguided. But I did get some stuff from Zara because Zara was having 30% off. So this is gonna be some Zara, some PacSun. Yeah, that's it. I think just Missguided, PacSun, and Zara. Before I go ahead and get started in the video, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. If you subscribe, that immediately makes you a citizen of the land. And hit the notification bell so you know when I upload. So here is the pile of clothes right here, and I'm about to just go ahead and like just get started in it. So let's go ahead and get started. First shirt is going to be a tank top cami bodysuit. So I really like this bodysuit because it's super lightweight, super thin, breathable, and I love like tank tops, muscle shirt type shirts because it's perfect for the summer. It's easy to throw on and you can layer it. Next, I'm going to be trying on the jeans I'm actually wearing, so you'll see them. These are from Zara. These jeans are basically my favorite jeans. Like, they just fit so perfect. They're tight but not too tight. They just make my butt just sit up right, just scrumptious. Y'all, I love short jeans for some reason because I love when I wear heels. I love, like, if I have lacy heels, I can wrap them up my ankles and strap them up. I just love short jeans because, yeah, they just look amazing in heels. Next pair of jeans are these from Zara as well. These are green. I know some people call them khaki, but I call them olive green. I love these because they have the details, zipper at the ankle, and they're also cut off at the ankle as well. They're also pretty lightweight as well. Only thing I don't like about them is that they are a little loose fitting on me in the waist, and in the crotch they're a little loose, but that's nothing I can't wear a belt with. I really just wanted some type of colored jeans and some jeans with like a little more detail, you know, some pockets. Next pair of jeans, these are from Missguided. These are high-waisted jeans and basically simple blue jeans, but they have a little detail. They have eyelets or something like that, basically cutouts and a knee cutout on these jeans, and then the ankle is like frayed. I don't really like the ankle part of it. Something about the ankle on these jeans just don't sit well with me. Am I still gonna wear them? Of course. But something about that ankle I just don't like. Next, I'm gonna go into my jackets. This big furry baby is from Zara. When I first saw this jacket, I fell in love. It reminded me of a puppy dog. Super soft. It really keeps me warm, y'all. It really keeps me warm, and it's pretty long. And I told myself this winter season I wanted a furry coat, and I got a furry coat. Next jacket, which is also my favorite jacket this winter season, is this. Yeah, this is cheetah. No, leopard. Probably leopard. Y'all, I love this baby. I really didn't want to show it because I got it from Ross, but the brand is Angel Kiss Los Angeles. So if y'all are familiar with that, that's the brand, Angel Kiss. And when I tried it on, I was like, why do I think I just found my soulmate? Like, where? Like, she was looking for me, I was looking for her, and we just met. I would be stupid to leave out this store and not pay just $18 for this jacket. Y'all know I'm super cheap. Come on, don't be stupid now. I ain't stupid. Last jacket for this haul is going to be this blazer. This is from Missguided. Maybe 6 months ago I bought this blazer, and literally I have not worn this blazer yet. I really just want to wear this to like dinner or lunch. Like, just wear it casual with like a regular graphic tee underneath, or a tank top, jeans, small heels. Like, literally I just want to just wear this on like a chill, more casual type scene. But I wanted to show y'all the blazer just because Missguided still sells other blazers if they don't have this one available, and I just want y'all to like see how their blazers fit. Here, y'all, I got these pants from Zara, Zara Basic Collection, and these are basically like tight pants, like legging material, basically like leggings. And I feel like since they're so thick and they're like a little fancy looking, you can dress them up or dress them down. Red, white, and black. Pretty basic. I can wear it with red, white, or black. They just hug my body. They kind of cinch it in, and they just make my booty look cute, small but cute. Y'all, here are my favorite jeans, repeat offender, most likely to be worn, repeating them on the gram, don't care, no fucks given. These are my favorite jeans, and you know why I love them? Because they're just so distressed. Like, can they be any more distressed? Can they? Like, come on. Like, who needs a boyfriend when I have your jeans, bitch? Boyfriend jeans, no boyfriend, bitch. Dress them down, dress them up. You could wear them with heels, with tennis shoes. You could layer them, you could keep it simple. You could wear leggings underneath, add some like dimension to it. It's like the options are endless. Next is this big comfy sweater from Missguided. You may have seen me in this on the ground. I like this sweater because it's thick, it's simple, it's a mustard. It's basically like a winter basic. So it has slits on the side of it. Y'all, a little tip, what I do in the winter time, whenever I have sweaters, I always wear a thin long sleeve shirt underneath my sweaters. Just wear like a basic long sleeve shirt underneath and then toss on your sweater so it can like really actually work. Not saying this one doesn't work, but just like if you really want to block more wind and like really stay warm, layer up. So that's what I do with this sweater, and I love it. Last pair of jeans are going to be my black ones. These are from Zara. I love these because I've always wanted some black jeans. Well, I had black jeans before. I washed them too much and they became gray. So I said I'm going to get some new black jeans and I'm not going to wash them ever. And I love them because they just have so much like character. Like, who are you? They have a little wash on them, a little gray wash. And y'all, my favorite part is the ankles. Can it be more distressed? Like, bitch, I see you. I love distressed ankles. And the reason why I love ripped up distressed ankles is because I love to wear them with heels. So it's like when my jeans are short and my ankles are all messed up, I can just toss on some heels and bitch, it's a look, okay? My main outfit I always wear is jeans, heels, and a bodysuit. That's the uniform. This off the shoulder shirt is gonna be from Missguided. And one thing I noticed immediately about this off the shoulder long sleeve shirt is how thick it is. It's basically like a sweater, almost like a sweater. This is a thong, a super thong bodysuit, which is perfect, so you won't have any panty lines. It's too like wrinkly. Like, it just has so much extra space or something. You're like, you see in the video, it just has so much extra space and wrinkly. That's the only thing I didn't really like about the sweater. Is like, maybe it didn't fill me out right. Maybe I could have got a size smaller, but I don't like to go smaller. I'd rather go a little bigger than to go smaller. I like to be comfortable. This shirt is from Missguided as well, and it's basically a basic white shirt, and I just wanted this for that purpose, just to have a basic white shirt when I don't have nothing to wear and I just want to go out and look decent. This is that go-to shirt. I wish they had more colors. I would have got more colors, or maybe they did, I don't know. I was like, let me just get a white shirt. And I just like that it's like what's this word? Not threaded, it's like ribbed. I like the fact that it's ribbed and it has like brown colored buttons, because that just gave me like 90s vibes. Like, I don't know, it just gave me like 90s. So I liked that. It gave me like a little throwback vibe. I only got 2 shirts from PacSun. Here is 1 shirt from PacSun, my Polaroid shirt, and I love it because it's colorful, it's chill, a little edgy. I could wear it with my Vans and basically, you know, just chill. Something cute and chill to like go places in. It's lightweight and I like it. This one is a crop top, and I like this one because, well, really I only got it because I had to buy one get one half off, but I just like it because it's colorful once again, and it's just, you know, playful, cute, edgy little shirts. But I will say this crop top is a little small, and I knew I should have got a medium because I don't like my crop tops to where if I lift my arm, all my titties is showing. But I mean, hey, it is what it is. Am I still gonna wear it? Of course. All right, y'all, this is the last shirt. I didn't try it on in the try on haul because it is just too small. But I do have a picture in it on my Instagram. I'll post that picture here on screen. When I tell you this is my favorite shirt, why my favorite one had to be the one that just does not fit. It's basically just too small. Like, the arms do not stretch, and it's just a little too small on me. Like, I should have got a size 6. I got a size US 4. I should have got a 6, but I didn't think I would need to get a 6 because I always just wear a size 4 on Missguided. So I just figured it would fit. But this one, it just was really small. If y'all do want to get this one, I would just suggest going one size up. But this is just such a pretty shirt. I love it. It just gave me everything. But y'all, that basically wraps up my try on haul. If y'all like this collective try on haul, definitely give your girl a thumbs up so I can post more clothes I buy, okay? Who gonna help me buy all these clothes? This time I am going to have all my sizes and measurements listed in the description box. I'm not playing. I'm not playing. I'm going to list it. And yeah, subscribe. So I'm gonna go ahead and get off of here, but I hope y'all like this try on video, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.